Time now for Retire Right KC. You know, a shopping list is not the same thing as a recipe. Alan Becker is here with me. He's the founder and president of Retirement Solutions Group. And Alan, you say that this analogy is actually true of our finances as well, that having a lot of assets, it's not the same thing as having a retirement plan. Tell me more about that.
Correct. We have a lot of people coming and visit with us, and when they bring in for that first visit their stuff, a lot of times there's a shopping bag or a briefcase or something comes in. It's just like a hodgepodge of things. To me, that's more of a portfolio, or is it? I mean, it's just a bunch of stuff, right? We want to turn that into a plan. Let me give you kind of a relationship story to that. So I love to cook, and when I got married, my wife also loved to cook, so I got kicked out to the grill. But when I was cooking and I would go out shopping, I'd bring home all the ingredients. And let's say tonight we want to make lasagna. So I go get everything. I got the sauce and the ricotta cheese and all the, the noodles, and we bring it home. Is that lasagna when we throw it on the counter?
Not
No.
yet.
We've got to prepare it in the right order. You got to boil the noodles and do all that stuff before you put it out on the plate. So no difference when we're planning for our retirement. We want to sit down with folks and make sure we're using the right vehicles in the right order to get the retirement of your dreams.
Sauce, noodles, cheese, right? Repeat. Okay, so you brought with us today to share with our viewers a tremendous resource that talks about this planning. Tell us more about it, Alan.
Yeah, repeat and eat. Don't forget that one.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, so the Retire Right Toolkit's available to you. The centerpiece is my book, Return on Investment or Reliability of Income, the True Meaning of ROI in the Golden Years. Second edition, you owe it to yourself to get a copy today.
That's right. It's full of great resources. It's complimentary to you. We want you to get it. You can call, click, text, use that QR code. We'll get that right out to you, and we'll see you next week.